You gonna actually present myself?
Yes, it's recording.
Hi, I'm Marianne, and I'm going to rap White and Nerdy because Bianca wants to put it on Facebook.
Yeah.
But first we have to finish we have to wait for the ad to go away. Oh, and now it's done, so give me about, 10 seconds here? Actually, I'm not going to sing the intro because it's really low and I can't sing that low. So I'm just going to... I'm doing it.
And...
No, they're all thinking I'm so white and nerdy. I'm just too white and nerdy. Can't you see I'm white and nerdy? Look at me, I'm white and nerdy.
Get ready.
First in my class here at MIT, got skills, I'm a champion in D&D, NC Escher, that's my favorite red MC, keep it 40, I'll just have an Earl Grey tea, my rims never spin, to the contrary, you'll find that they're quite stationary, all of my action figures are cherry, Stephen Hawking's in my library, my MySpace page is all totally pimped out, got people begging for my topic spaces, yo, I know pie to 1,000 places, ain't got no girls but I still wear braces, I order omelet sandwiches with mayonnaise, my whiz and minesweeper, I could play for days, with seeing the sweet moves, you're gonna stay amazed, my fingers moving so fast as the place ablaze, there's no killer app I haven't run, at Pascal, well I'm number one. Do vector calculus just for fun. Ain't got that, but I got a soldering gun. Happy Days is my favorite theme song. I can sure kick your butt at a game of ping pong. I'll ace any trivia quiz you bring on. I'm fluent in JavaScript as well as Klingon. Boom!
F yeah!
Hey, there's more. There's another verse coming. Let me get a water break while I'm waiting for the next verse.
I'm tearing up, by the way.
My cheeks are hurting right now.
Your cheeks are red?
My cheeks are hurting.
Oh, hurting because you're laughing at me, you idiot.
Here you go.
If I'm ever famous, you're going to put this on YouTube and it's going to make me even more famous.
I should put it on YouTube.
I've been browsing expectant. X-Men comics, you know I collect them. The pens in my pocket, I must protect them. My ergonomic keyboard never leaves me bored. Shopping online for deals on Cerebral Media. I edit Wikipedia. I memorize Holy Grail really well. I can recite it right now and have you ROTF LOL. I got a business doing websites. I'm gonna friends using code, who do they call? I do HTML for them all. Even made a homepage for my dog. Yo, I got myself a fanny pack. They were having a sale down at the Gap. Spend my nights with a roll of bubble wrap. Pop up, hope no one sees me. Get my contacts going.